Hello, this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this card with a secret gift card holder inside with the Hues of Happiness suite. All right, this is my first card with the Hues of Happiness suite, which includes the Happiness Abounds bundle and dies, the Blossoming Happiness dies. They're dies to cut out all the flowers, and then these fun stitch dies, as well as this die right here. And then it also includes these really super cute glossy dots in Gorgeous Grape, Melon Mambo, Daffodil Delight, and Pool Party. And there is, of course, the gorgeous Hues of Happiness paper. And this really doesn't do it justice because you have to see the whole page, how it goes from one color all the way to the next. So this one goes from the purples all the way over to the pinks. So as well as these last two ones here. And you can cut out all these flowers and these two leaves here, and then the 3 or the 5 leaves as well. You can cut out all those flowers too with the dies. So super, super beautiful, fun paper. So this card is a little hidden gift card holder. So there's a little gift card holder right there. And then you can write your message inside, and super, super cute. So it's got this fun flap as well that you use to open the card up. So I'm just gonna put this up in this corner while we start to work on it. And let me grab all of my pieces. Okay, so here are all of my pieces. So I have started off with a piece of 10.5 by 4 1/4, and I've scored it 2.5, and actually I scored it before I cut it off, so now I got to see where the score marks ended. So 2 1/4 and 5. Okay, so 2 1/4 and 5. And then I have used the layering circles dies to cut that out, or you can use a punch. And so I've also done that for this piece right here. So I just need to trim this down to 2 1/4. Or 2. I'm going to trim it down to 2. And then I'm going to layer this on. Okay. And then we're going to use some of this red liner tape here to create the little pocket. I love using this red liner skinny tape because it is skinny and it makes it really easy, and it's super sticky, so it holds everything really well. But I just want enough room for the gift card, so that's why I'm using the super ultra skinny sticky strip. And then we'll just take the layers off of that. And I did this one a little bit too long, so we'll just trim that. Okay, and we'll seal that closed. And now we've got some pretty paper for the inside as well. So we're going to attach that paper as well. So this is 2 1/2, or you could do 2 3/4. But before I do that, I want to add this flap. So this piece is 4 3/4 by 3 inches tall and scored at 1/2. And I'm just going to adhere this flap onto the side here first in the center. And then I can adhere this paper on. Kind of cover it up a little bit. Okay, and then on the front we have this paper here, 2.5 by 4. Okay, we're getting there. All right, so now we need the 2 white pieces. All right, so we have this piece, which is 2.5 by 4, and so we're gonna do a little stamping on it like this. So I'm just gonna get a scrap piece of paper. And I'm gonna use Gorgeous Grape and Granny Apple Green. And I'm gonna start with the rose in the corners. And then we'll do the leaves. Okay, so now we can attach this to the card. The inside is where you can write your message, or stamp your sentiment. And I'm just gonna try to line that up right there so that this covers it. Okay, so now this 2 3/4 by 4 piece just is placed down on the front. And then I have already stamped, colored, and cut out all of the pieces here. So I've got lots and lots of pieces. So I just wanted to show you a little bit of coloring. I used Highland Heather, Daffodil Delight, and Granny Apple Green. And you can go back in and add some more little dark areas, which is kind of fun. And then you can go back and really blend those in. Okay, so now I'm just going to add these to the card, and I'm going to put them all on dimensionals. Okay, now I have a little 1/2 inch strip to stamp Friend in Gorgeous Grape. I'm sorry, Happy Birthday, even better. I'm just gonna trim off the edge here. And we can put this one on dimensionals as well, just part way. And then you can do like a tiny bit of adhesive on the other side. place that down there. And then we've got some of these super cute glossy dots. And there you have your fun gift card holder. So I'm offering a free card kit when you purchase this bundle. It includes supplies for 6 cards, and just use my current host code when you buy the bundle or place a $40 order, and then email me and let me know that you would like this Hues of Happiness or Flower Fun Folds card kit, and I will send it right out to you. Thank you so much for watching my video tutorial on this fun fold flower card. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like and comment on my video, as well as subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notification bell so that you know every time I go live or post a new video. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.